The woman nowadays no one build with no man. But can you blame them? But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I am on all social media platforms, or rather most, at kthoughts876. Share your thoughts in the comment section wherever you're seeing this video, because I am trying to create a community of well thinkers. So the problem is, a lot of women do not want to help a man build or build with a man. They want a man that is ready and done. A house that is already furnished and they can move into. But as I said, can you not really blame them? Because at the end of the day, we have seen too many situations where women have helped their men to build or build with their men. And the moment the man gets where he wants to be in life, he leaves. I know for a fact that that is not a majority of men. And I also know that the men that leave didn't simply leave because they made it. There are varying factors. But we're going to just acknowledge the problem, and we're going to talk about a solution that I think can work. If you as a woman or as a man, I'm just focusing on the woman part because that is the part that is most discussed, but it does happen today in the reverse as well. But if you're talking to someone, you and this person is in a committed relationship, right? You haven't been married, but you have both decided that you're going to make this work, you're going to help your other partner build. I would advise you to do a written contract if you don't trust them. If you're hesitating to assist to the best of your abilities, I would advise you to do a written contract, a written agreement that both of you sign, that if the other person who is being assisted, so you are the one that is funding everything, you are the one that is taking care of all the bills, you're taking care of the children because the other person have school or they just so focused on work, then sign a written agreement where when that person gets where they want to be, if they leave, they have to give you a certain percentage of their finances or a fixed amount. And that should alleviate a lot of the worries. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? I genuinely want to hear from you in the comment section. So please don't be hesitant to share your thoughts. And also, if there's something you want me to talk about, drop it in the comment section or DM it to me. I love to hear from you. But again, as I said some time ago, if you come to me or come at me with foolishness, I may retaliate. I won't be too harsh, but I may retaliate, right? Because I firmly believe in free thinking and open conversation. But if you're going to come at me like you know, have no sense, I'm going to treat you as such. But hey, again, thank you for listening.